Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the Ford Transit Courier Limited in Moondust Silver. With it being the Limited, you get your alloy wheels. You just get this really stylish roof rail. The thing that surprised me and surprises a lot of customers still about these cracking little vans is the amount of space you do get in the back of them for such a compact van. You get the Ford Easy Clean floor as well. And we've got an auxiliary 12 volt power unit there. The interior of the vehicle is a really nice place to be. You've got the touch screen there, which controls your Bluetooth connectivity to your phone, also your DAB radio. This van does have front and rear parking sensors, so that also comes up on that display. You've got air conditioning and cruise control as well. So that is the Ford Transit Courier Limited. It's the 100 PS 1.5 TDCi in Moondust Silver, the manual gearbox. If you need any information on the vehicle, any quotes arranging or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.